Rwangi rwa URIMI na ndethia rwa UKARIA bwandene kamiti ya mianka na ithurano na rwa KTDA ne bathithitie muchemanio jwamwe kiri muchemanio jojo ne bariritie Ithurano Bia BIKATHITHIKA bia MAJANI tariki 28 cia mweri jojo akiama IWANDA binini bia MAJANI nebo berigiritwe kuthura atongeria bao.
Following a joint meeting between the Cabinet Secretary of Agriculture and Livestock Development, Ministry of Interior and National Administration, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC), the Team Board of Kenya and the Kenya Teen Development Agency Holdings Limited, on 5th of June 2024 at Clim House on elections of small holder tea factories managed by Ktda. The following is now agreed upon. In accordance with the court decree issued on 11th April 2024, elections for directors of all 54 small-holder tea factories will be held on the 28th June 2024. That the election manual issued by the Team Board of Kenya shall be amended to align it with the respective tea factories' articles of association and in particular on qualifications of directors to be O-level certificates. The kilograms of green leaf to be used shall be in accordance with the respective articles and in particular kilograms from June 2023 to May 24. That the Dispute Resolution Committee provided in the election manual to be reconstituted to transfer and dispute resolution function to the IEBC. That the IEBC to sign contracts with each individual tea factory for the conduct of election for its directors. That the IEBC to prescribe the most transparent process of submission and shortlisting of candidates. And that the notice for declaration of vacancies of directors to be reviewed to indicate that the positions shall fall vacant in the next general meeting. That the parties review the election manual to enable the IEBC to deliver a free, fair, and credible election scheduled for the 28th June 2024. And finally, that the factories shall indemnify the IEBC on any litigation arising from the elections. So we want to assure the farmers of this country that our resolve is to facilitate a free and fair election for the will of the farmers, of the owners, of the shareholders of these factories is represented through the election that we expect to be done on the 28th of June. Election will be conducted by the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission because of their history of conducting free, transparent elections.